Hello everyone. So I got this charger for my MTU9 from Amazon, and it comes with a S3 socket where you can directly fit in the wiring. Uh, I'm gonna try install it and see how does it work. Uh, I have a windshield on, so I will have to take that out first, and once I do that, I can take you guys to how to take the headlamp off and how to plug it in. So my windshield just is mounted by these four screws here. So I'm gonna take those off, and then obviously the bracket which mounts the windshield on it, I'm gonna take that off, and then we'll issue. So I took my windshield off. Now my windshield was mounted on these brackets. Now I have to take these brackets off. Once I do that, then I can go back to taking other bolts off, which will end up letting me remove this headlamp. Make sure you always store these nut and bolts someplace securely. Otherwise, you're going to lose one and then end up having big issues. I usually just keep them in a Ziploc bag so that I know it's somewhere safe. So my bracket is off now. Now I have to unscrew two other bolts which are at the bottom. Two screws on the bottom should just come off, and You can put it on the side. Now you can see there are accessory sockets here. Let me get the camera closer. So as you can see, there are accessory sockets here. So this one, as I have seen in videos and done, so you've got for the heated grips, one on this side and one on that side. And this is the accessory socket, which is plugged in, and you can, like, it's not connected to anything, but it's all plugged in just to be safe on its place. You can take it out, and once you take it out, then you can check. It should probably fit the one we have got from the Amazon. Let me make sure it does. It looks like it will fit, so I'm just gonna try and check it before I put it back again. So it looks like it's the same one. If I'm not wrong, it should fit. Let me check, and it does fit. I'm gonna do one thing before like reinstall it. I'm just gonna get a USB and check this one, so that making sure that it works when the bike is turned on. So I've got this phone with me with a charging cable, and I'm gonna just plug it in. The bike is turned off right now, so it shouldn't work, which is the whole point. So there it goes. Right now there's no charge or anything going on this phone. It's just an old phone. So let's turn it on, and it starts charging. I hope you can see that. So the charger works. Turn the bike off. Let's wait for a few seconds. Still some poor internet. That's good. So it does work. Now I'm just gonna make sure I fit it in a way, because it's a longer wire. So I've seen people who basically routed it from this side and then fixed it somewhere here. So I'm gonna do the same, because the wire is very long. You can install it at different locations. Again, depends on you. But I'm gonna just install it on the U-bolt of my phone mount, because that's where it's basically gonna be used. I don't wanna mount it on the anything else on the frame or in something. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do this, and once I'm done, it should be all good. Let me lower it down a bit, so that's where you see the wire can go through. Also got some zip ties, black zip ties, so that I can put it nicely and so the wires are loose. Yeah, that's all. You can just follow the steps, put it back. It should look good. Let me work through it, and I will show you the end result. With this small bracket, a plastic bracket, and a nut which you can put, tighten down. So set. Now you can get the screws through there. All the wiring and everything, and I'll just install it right here and mounted it on the U-bolt for my phone holder. Obviously there's no holder right now here, and I did it here so that even if I mount 360 or anything, I have a charger close by. They do give you screws where you can mount it at different places, but this one will be here. And it does come with this cover, which seems like waterproof. I'm not sure till I use it. I hope it is. And if you open it up, see, now there's no lights. When you turn on the bike, you can see there's a blue light inside, so you know the power is on. And I did check, it works with my phone, charges it, so everything is good. Yeah, I was planning to do this before going on a longer ride, a day ride, so let's hope it works. Let's see how long it works. Well, that's all from my side. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you.